family outside. Yeah. That is it, fully active outside. COLAZ SMITH and team. Out there, Dada.
Hey.
Out there, Dada. Out there, Dada. Respect. Fully active, Dada. That is it. Yeah. Stop. Yes, my people, full team out in my people. See that? Up here. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm come here so for the way I say that the flag. You don't know. Oh, you better know. Last ice water challenge going up, that's a problem, you know. Yeah, man, that is it. Outside, you know. Fully active outside, my people. Greatness. Greatness outside, my people. Greatness. Yeah. That is it. Outside. Forget Jano. Okay. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, people, you don't know. Your boy COLAZ there, you see me? I represent for God for you. Don't know what I go on. Yeah, man, the general empowered now is video and things. You see me? Wonderful vibes out here. Oh, you are going now? We end up have to carry down back some of the food because we never get to soak the pork properly, you see? So, we're going to finish the rest of the cooking down back from base. As you can see, now catch it. But you know, say, the energy was right, you see me? Yeah, man, the vibration connect. So you don't know, say, big up the whole team, you see? Everybody who forward out, same way. Yeah, man. I would not say I go and show the love and the joy same way, you know, and I make it work. I don't know, say, one love and one unity same way, you know? Yeah, man, so we out there, we don't feel like nah, man, so. Big up again, my general. Respect, big up Sweet Kid TV. You know what I go and see him with?
Yeah, man.
Every time.
Respect, my general. Respect. Sweet Kid.
Yes, fully active.
Yeah, man.
General, you don't know how.
Without fear. Are the great climber out here without fear. You see it, my people? Yeah. General, I work on the motor, you know. See that, my people?
Lock off. You lock off. No, lock off, brother. You know, some never only clutch. And he can't start to do it. Yeah, he that start, you know. Can bike. If you bike like this, he can't start. Yeah, he that. Let's bike it for me. You got gear bike today. You got gear. Oh, me I put in down the seat. They could just never say time never got that started.
Whoa. Whoa. I said that piece of music that catch me. I don't know if I cut out music.
You do video while you have to turn on the bike.
Oh.
I'm going to next screwdriver. See there?
Yeah, me among the geniuses, them my people. You see that? Young climber, you know. You see me? Yes, man. And so on something here, where it come from, the tower. Yeah, man, general out, you know.